This is Cameron playing in his room after Mommy just finished putting all of his toys on his bookshelf nice and neat. You having fun, Monkey? Yeah? You having fun? Yeah, lots and lots of fun. Tata. Hatita. Tata. Hi, Tata. Hey, Buddo. Cameron. Let's go make Grandpa. Let's go make Daddy's good night message. You ready? Hey, Tata.
Hi, Tata.
Hi, Tata. Sorry. Woo! Bonk. Come on, bud. Come on. In the laundry room, aren't you? Oh, you found Mommy's movies? Come on, Monkey.